it's Alana J and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video I'm showing you guys my monthly maintenance. We're doing hair, skin, and nails today. No waxing this time. So I start off washing my natural hair with the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo by Mayel. I absolutely love this shampoo. It's so good, guys. The mint feel on my scalp feels so nice and so refreshing. You guys see I'm getting it in my scalp there, and then I'm kind of just moving it down the rest of my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it took a while for my hair to actually get wet, and that's because I have low porosity hair. If you're asking for my curl pattern, it's about a 3C4A. I also do monthly scalp massages with my scalp massager from Vanity Planet. I've had it for years and I absolutely love it, and I just do that all around my head. Right now I'm just wetting my hair again, trying to make sure every part of my hair is getting wet. Then I use the Camille Rose Moroccan hair conditioner. I absolutely love this. It's conditioning cream and it's very thick, and I feel like it really gets into my hair, and that's what I need because my hair and my scalp is so dry. What I need is the moisture, that's what I need. So you guys see it, like my hair is just soaking everything up, and that's why it's looking dry. But look at my curls. They look so good. It looks so refreshed. My hair looks so healthy. I mean, look at this shot, guys. My hair looks so healthy. Oh my goodness. So I do wash my hair on a monthly basis because I wear wigs. I'm a wig wearing girl. But I do put my hair into a protective style, my natural hair. Right here, I do still have the conditioner in my hair, so I'm just putting my hair into a bun. And I am starting my facial. So with the facial, I'm taking a pre-cleanse because like I told you guys last month, if you caught that video, when I do my facials, I do a double cleanse. So this is going to be that oil cleanser, getting rid of the excess oil, any excess dirt that might be, under the surface. We want to make sure we're getting all of that out. I also do deeper lymphatic drainage, so that's when I glide my hand along my jawline. You can do that with a gua sha tool, or you can do it with a roller. It all depends on your preference. Personally, because I am an esthetician, I just do it with my fingers in that open V position. Then I take a warm towel. This is like substitution for steam. I don't have a steamer yet, but I will be getting one. And I just wipe that all off. I then go in with my skin resurfacing cleanser. So this time I really wanted to do a double exfoliation, if you will. So this cleanser from Dermalogica, it has lactic acid as well as glycolic acid within the cream cleanser. It is very luxurious feeling, and it just does wonders to the skin. It is part of the anti-aging line for Dermalogica, but I just love it because it's gonna moisturize my skin but also be like a baby peel, if you will. It's gonna be a lot easier to do extractions, which I did do, but I didn't film because I don't have a proper tool and I don't want you guys to do the extractions the way I did them. So I just took that warm towel again, wiped that off, and then I have the daily microfoliant. You guys know I talk about this in every one of my videos that I do skincare. I absolutely love the daily microfoliant. I love using the fan brush to apply it with. It just gives that luxe, You don't have to apply it with a fan brush, but it just gives a luxe feel. Add some more water to get that foaminess and exfoliate away. Again, this exfoliator does brightening, helps with hyperpigmentation, helps prep your skin for extractions, as well as soothe your skin. So this is, you see where I'm like going in on my nose? That's because I'm about to extract the heck out of my nose. There were sebaceous filaments, which sometimes look like blackheads. There was oil. Yeah, took it all out. Now I'm just fanning my face a little bit, and then I did go into extractions, but I went off camera. So these are those little braids that I do for my hair, and I want to say about 3 times a month, so like every week pretty much. I go in with oil, so I do like argan oil, a little bit of castor oil, and that is how I just keep my scalp nice and oiled. I also like to sometimes take out the braids and redo them. This is the wig I've been wearing. It is from Icy Hair. It's a body wave wig. I styled it later on that day, but it's not in this video because, guys, I was doing this at night pretty much. I wasn't about to really style the wig. I just wanted to show you guys how I do a protective style on me. Now, like you guys see, I don't glue anything down in my head, and my wigs still look good, okay? I don't glue nothing. I don't glue nothing. I don't glue, I don't spray. I do sometimes pull out the baby hairs. They are there. But recently, I haven't been wanting to pull them out. I really just like how the wig looks on my head, just how it is. And it looks nice. I get compliments on it. People say it looks very natural, so I'm cool. But yeah, I just threw it up into a claw clip for you guys because I am about to do the rest of the steps of my facial. And I think I got my claw clip from Target, if I'm not wrong. So here comes the infamous headband bow thing. I don't even know what to call it. A headband bow that I put on when I do my skincare. I also did everything in my robe just to feel like, you know, more relaxed. I use my Age Bright Clearing Serum. This serum is amazing for clearing up acne, preventing acne. Like when I tell you guys, when I use this stuff and I rarely get breakouts, yeah, that stuff is helping my oil control, okay? It is helping my oil control, and it's great. It also has niacinamide in there as well as hyaluronic acid, so it's moisturizing as well. Then I go in my Fenty Skin. Y'all already know about this. Unless you're new to my channel, y'all need to go look at some other videos and find out why I love Fenty Skin so much. But the fat water is just really, really good at pore refining. Then I went in with some vitamin C because I don't use vitamin C every day, but I do kind of try to use it every 2 weeks and do a very nice treatment when I'm doing my monthly maintenance. Vitamin C helps with dark spots and all of that. Then I take the Murad Vita C Dark Circle Corrector. So this is my eye cream. It is basically vitamin C in a cream, and it's amazing. I've already seen the brightening effects, and y'all, I don't sleep, so I'm causing myself to get dark circles by not getting the proper amount of sleep. But this stuff definitely helps, and it feels really nice on the skin. As y'all see, my nose is red, so I told y'all I really extracted the heck out of my nose, but when I tell you, it felt so smooth afterwards, and the sides felt smooth. Like, my skin felt amazing. Then I'm going in with some rejuvenating eye gels. I only do this once a month. I do not do this once a week or anything like that. I do it once a month because you don't need to do that every day or every week. It's literally just pampering most of the time. I like the ones from Patchology. I like how slimy they feel. It feels like it's doing something. If you want them even colder, put them in your fridge. Then I got the Peter Thomas Roth Masking Minis, and I absolutely love that little set. But before I applied my mask, I did the hyaluronic acid from Good Molecules. I brought back hyaluronic acid because my skin needs it, okay? So my skin is combination skin, but the rest of my skin on my body is dry. My scalp is dry. So I need to be moisturized. And sometimes when you have an imbalance in your skin routine, it can mess up your skin, and I definitely need that hyaluronic acid in my skin routine no matter what. So yeah, now I'm just smoothing everything out. I'm getting ready to apply my mask. So I use the hydrating mask just to try it out. I've never tried Peter Thomas Roth mask. Even when I was in Ulta, I just like placed it on my finger and on my hands and stuff, but never on my face. So I was a little nervous, so I did the safest mask, and I can definitely say that it was very nice. It was very nice, very hydrating. Definitely helped sealed in all of my serums and just pushed them further down into my skin, which is the whole point of a mask. It's supposed to push down your serums further into your skin. Then I removed the eye patches and I just kept going in with my mask. And then I waited about 5 to 7 minutes. So now I have a warm towel again, and this is my final steam towel, and it felt so good. Steam just keeps the pores opened and allows everything to just go deeper in your skin at an easier pace, I would say. Yeah, it was very nice. I love doing facials, guys, especially on myself. Like when I get the facial steamer, y'all gonna be sick of me. So now I'm just applying a little bit more of that hyaluronic acid at the end, and you know, you can never go wrong with using too much hyaluronic acid, I promise. And now I'm taking the Calm Water Gel from Dermalogica as well. Calm Water Gel is really just to help any inflammation, any redness, any sensitivities. And because I did all of those extractions, I just wanted to calm my face a little bit. And then I use Sound Sleep Cocoon. I use this in my last monthly maintenance as well. And I absolutely love this because it's very gentle, it's very calming, but it's also really moisturizing, and it also has a lavender benefit, so it helps you sleep. And then I just applied my moisturizer. This is the Skin Smoothing Cream Moisturizer. This one is a little bit heavier than the one I usually use, Active Moist, but it was good. Moving on to the nails. So I'm kind of just showing you guys how I apply my nails. These are the Gel X dupe nails. So this is the ones off of Amazon. I'll put my storefront down, but I was basically redoing my thumbnail. So I grabbed the 0. I have the XXL square shape. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And I'm just sizing my nail up. I do this about 3 times. Like I just make sure to check 2 to 3 times. Then I use Beetles nail glue. Everything in this video is Beetles, except for the nails themselves. But they always recommend when you're doing Gel X to use like everything from that company, because it helps make sure that your nails last the longest. And I don't know if you guys saw that little extra dollop of gel that I put. That just ensures that I get a better hold on my nail and I get a better foundation. So now I have my Beetles UV LED lamp and I hit the button for 60 seconds, and that's really what I did, guys. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my nails. They usually last me about 3 weeks. I mean, look at that application. Woo! Okay. And so now I'm just filing the shine away. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I'm still learning Gel X nails, so I don't really know if this is necessary, but that's what they do at the nail salon when I used to get acrylics. So yeah. Then I have the base gel, and it's basically clear coat, and I have a nail trimmer I trimmed it short because I wasn't gonna leave it that long. My jobs would not allow that. So now I'm just applying the base clear coat. It looks really good. This was probably one of the best nail applications I've done for my thumb, because my thumb is not like a normal thumb shape. So yeah. Then I take the gel nail polish in this really pretty pink color. It's almost like a jelly ombre pink, if you will. So it looks really, really pretty. And I just wanted to do a solid color, and it just looked really good. I was very, very proud of my application and then how I was painting the nails. I've done about 5 Gel X sets altogether, I think, either 4 to 5. So I'm getting better. I am getting better, and I really find it therapeutic. So that's why I keep up with it. It's not too expensive to buy the products. A lot of the Beetles products come as like a package, so that's really good as well. And then I have my top coat by Beetles again. And I'm just applying the top coat, and then you see that? Oh my god, it looks so cute. And we're gonna put it right back in for 60 seconds. Now you can do the 120 seconds. I've done that before on a nail that I just felt like was unstable. The flash cure is like 30 seconds, but I always do 60 just to be safe. Literally just to be safe. Then I take the Beetles cuticle oil and I just put that around. And the only reason why you guys didn't really see me do any real nail prep is because the nail that I had on previously, it literally just came off, so I wasn't gonna sit there and like do a bunch of nail prep. But here are my finished nails. They look so good all together. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, and here are my nails again at a different angle, so you guys see how pretty and pink and how sharp the square looks. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly maintenance. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.